Out of all of the nonfiction reading strategies that we can use during our reading, so as we're reading the book, today we're going to focus on the first one. So we're going to be writing down information that is new to us in the book. So today we will use a pencil and some sticky notes to help us with our activity. Today we are going to be using a pencil, a sticky notepad, or if you don't have one of these, a piece of paper will work just fine. And we're going to be using our nonfiction book. So as you remember yesterday, Miss Barr had the book Mars that she talked about some before reading strategies with to help me better understand my book. Now today, I'm going to be reading my book and writing down some information that is new to me. So I'm going to start with reading Hey Neighbor. Now, as I read, I'm going to stop and think about what information is new to me, and then I'm going to write it down in my own words. You'll notice that Ms. Barr does not copy the entire page. All right, let's start reading Hey Neighbor. Picture this: pink skies, orange sunsets, vast desert, and massive canyons. Massive is another word for big. You can see these sights and more on Mars. This planet is one of the Earth's nearest neighbors in our solar system. But even though it's closer than other planets, Mars is still far away. It takes 9 months to travel there in a spacecraft. Wow! Just by looking at this diagram with labels, it is pretty close to Earth, but the fact that it takes 9 whole months out of the year to get there is brand new information to me. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to write a post note and stick it on this page because this is new information. All right, so what I wrote down is even though it's close to Earth, it takes 9 months to get to Mars. So I'm using my own words. You'll notice I did not copy down the entire paper. All right, let's keep going. All right, so I'm going to look at the table here and the pictures to help me. Mars is the 4th planet from the sun. It's about half the size of Earth. Only the planet Mercury is smaller than Mars. Looking at this picture here, I have Earth and Mars. Mars is super small, but sounds like Mercury is even smaller than Mars. What I'm going to do, I'm going to take a post note here and write down some information that I found brand new to me. So it says the second smallest planet. The first is Mercury. What I can even do is I'll put in Mars is the second smallest planet. The first smallest is Mercury. All right. Now I want to keep reading, so I'll put this sticky note up here. In some ways, Mars is very similar to our planet. Like Earth, Mars is a rocky planet. It has valleys and volcanoes just like Earth does. But there are also a lot of differences. For example, Mars spins more slowly on its axis than Earth does. As a result, a Mars day lasts 37 minutes longer than an Earth day. Oh, that is something I did not know. So a day on Mars is longer than a day on Earth. I'm going to write that down. Put that right here on my sticky note. All right. That says these differences are part of what makes Mars so interesting. Mars has fascinated skywatchers for thousands of years. So an axis, let me read that, is an imaginary line that a planet rotates around. So it goes around a circle on an axis. All right, today, Miss Bar only did one chapter, one heading of my nonfiction book, but I'm going to have you read the whole nonfiction book for your activity and write down 2 or 3 Post-it notes of new information that you've learned throughout the whole book. When you are done, I would like you to take a video of yourself reading the 2 or 3 post notes of information that you found out today. Good luck.